This is a warning from Glenwood County Police Department. To the residents of Glenwood County, we have received reports of break-ins in the area along with multiple missing. The residents' bodies that were found are, as shown: decapitation, severe lack or loss of limbs, gouged eyes. If loud static occurs through your family home television sets manufactured by Leverick, you should do the following. Open all doors and windows. God is absent.
Your windows were shut. You shouldn't have done that.